Is the oven hot enough yet?
Almost, Mia. Baking takes patience.
I am just so excited for the school baking competition!
I know you are, sweetheart. You have been practicing all week.
I want to win the golden trophy. But mostly, I want to make you proud.
You always make me proud, Mia.
What is the secret to your famous apple pie, Mom?
The secret is not in the recipe, Mia. It is in your hands. You have to feel the dough. You have to bake with love.
Bake with love. I will remember that.
Oh, please! What a ridiculous thing to say.
Julian? What are you doing in our bakery?
I came to buy a croissant, but now I am losing my appetite. Bake with love? That is a poor person's excuse for bad food.
Excuse me, young man. That is very rude.
It is the truth. The secret to good food isn't love. It's money.
You don't know anything about baking, Julian.
I don't need to know how to bake, Mia. I am rich! My father hired a professional pastry chef to make my cake for the competition.
You hired someone? That is cheating!
It's not cheating. It's called outsourcing. My cake costs $500. It will easily beat your cheap pie. I will see you at the competition, baker girl. Try not to cry when you lose.
He is so mean, Mom. And his cake will be perfect. Perfect does not always mean delicious, Mia. Trust your hands, trust your heart. Let's finish our pie.
Okay, Mom. I will put all my love into it.
Welcome, everyone, to the annual school baking contest. Today, we have a very special guest judge.
Please welcome the world-famous Chef Gourmet!
Bonjour, students. I am looking for perfection today. I want to taste passion. I want to taste excellence!
Wow, Chef Gourmet is really intimidating.
Just breathe, Mia. Your pie looks beautiful.
Step aside, peasants. Make way for the winning dessert.
Oh my goodness. Look at the size of that cake.
Behold, a 5-tier vanilla sponge cake with edible gold flakes.
Julian, this is magnificent. Did you bake this yourself?
Of course I did. I was up all night working on the sugar flowers.
Liar! You told me your dad paid a professional chef to make it.
Shh! Keep your voice down, you jealous little baker! Everyone knows my family is the best. Don't embarrass yourself. What did you bring anyway? A lump of brown mud?
It is a rustic apple pie. It's an old family recipe.
It looks sloppy. The crust is completely uneven. Let me get a closer look at this disaster.
Julian, stop! Don't touch it!
Oops! My hand slipped.
No! My pie! The pie fell completely on the floor!
What a clumsy mistake.
I am so sorry, Mia. I guess you are disqualified. Such a shame.
My pie, it's ruined. The crust is shattered everywhere. Oh dear! What happened here?
Mia tripped and dropped her own pie, teacher. She is very clumsy.
That is a lie! You pushed it off the table!
Now, calm down. The judge will be at this table in 10 minutes.
Mia, if you don't have a dessert to present, you must leave the contest. But I worked so hard. It's all gone.
Mia, look at me. Look into my eyes.
It's over, Mom. Julian won.
It is not over. We still have the apples inside the pie. They did not touch the floor. They are still perfectly clean.
But the crust is completely broken. It's just a mess.
What did I tell you in the bakery? Baking takes love. We will adapt. We will make something new.
How? We only have 10 minutes!
We have glass cups. We will scoop the warm apples into the cups. We will crush the remaining crust and sprinkle it on top.
An apple crumble cup! Mom, you are a genius!
Hurry, Mia! Let your hands do the work!
I am scooping the apples! They still smell so amazing with the cinnamon! There, I sprinkled the golden crust on top. It looks beautiful.
It looks warm, rustic, and full of heart. I am so proud of you.
Attention! I am ready to begin the tasting. Let us start with this massive golden cake.
That is my creation, Chef Gourmet. I poured my soul into it.
It looks visually flawless. The fondant is perfectly smooth. Let me take a bite.
Prepare to be amazed, Chef.
This is terrible.
Terrible? But it cost $500!
Cost? What does cost have to do with baking? The sponge is dry. The fondant tastes like pure artificial plastic. This cake has no soul. It was made without passion. I am incredibly disappointed in you, young man.
But the gold flakes!
Gold cannot hide a bad recipe. Step aside. Now, whose humble dessert is this?
It is mine, Chef Gourmet. It is an apple crumble cup.
It is not very elegant. The presentation is quite messy.
I know, Chef. I had an accident, so I had to adapt quickly.
Adapting under pressure? That is the mark of a true chef. Let me taste it. Oh my goodness.
Is it okay? Is it too sweet?
The cinnamon, the butter, the perfectly baked apples. This tastes exactly like the desserts my grandmother made for me in France. It is warm, It is nostalgic. It is pure magic. Young lady, what is your secret ingredient?
My mom taught me. The secret ingredient is love.
I can taste it! This is extraordinary! The winner of the Golden Trophy is Mia!
I won? I will win!
I knew you could do it, my beautiful girl!
I don't understand. How did mud beat gold?
Because you can't buy love, Julian. You have to earn it.
I am so sorry, Mia. I was just jealous of your talent.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn English Central. Did you enjoy Mia's story? Today we watched a beautiful story about baking, honesty and hard work. Let's learn some new English words. First, we heard the word arrogant. Arrogant means thinking you are better or more important than other people. Julian was very arrogant. He bragged about his expensive cake and was mean to Mia. Next, we learned the word sabotage. Sabotage is when you secretly destroy someone else's work on purpose. Julian tried to sabotage Mia by knocking her pie onto the floor. That was very unkind. We also heard the word recipe. A recipe is a list of instructions for making food. Mia's apple pie was an old family recipe, but her mum taught her the most important ingredient isn't on the paper. It is love. Finally, we learned the word forgive. At the end of the story, Julian said he was sorry. To forgive means to stop being angry at someone who did something wrong. Mia won the competition because she worked hard and baked from the heart. The famous chef loved her dessert because it felt warm and nostalgic. Julian's cake was expensive, but it tasted like plastic because he did not make it himself. This story teaches us a wonderful lesson. Money cannot buy real talent, and it cannot buy love. Honest hard work will always shine brighter than expensive shortcuts. What is your favourite food to bake? Tell us in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to Learn English Central.